CTE works for me.
Cisco is a technology and computer-based program. It's a lot of networking and cybersecurity-based levels overall.
This is the car body. We gotta take the car body off.
What excites me about the information technology program is the fact that I could collaborate with my peers. I have opportunities to STEM and lots of opportunities just to do hands-on activities.
As a kid, I always had a love for technology, always on the computer, always on the phone. And I always had this passion to know what it's like inside, what it's like to know about these things.
It's really networking and cybersecurity and learning what's really in the internet.
Since my freshman year, I've had the opportunity to work on countless different projects and assignments and research.
It's very hands-on, so being that for me, it can help me be able to put puzzles together if that's the case, and just overall work out real-world problems.
One of my favorites when I first started in the program was coding. You have various different programming languages you can focus on.
When I first came into this, I really thought the class was gonna be very hard, very strict.
It's really more simpler than that, and it's something that you can learn easily when you have passion for it.
We have coding, we have robotics, there's a lot of opportunities to explore.
The certifications that I have, I can apply those when I'm applying to work at an internship or a job, and those will really help me flourish in the future.
We had the opportunity to internship with Exelon. I was one out of 60 other women to internship with them out of 1,000 applications.
A good candidate in this program is somebody who's hardworking. They're interested in computer science, technology, all of that.
Somebody who is curious, who's interested in learning about the world.
If you're considering this program, I would think that you would love to get interactive with STEM, explore STEM more, understanding the techniques and things that you need to do to just expand on your understanding.
It's gonna be really fun, and you're gonna learn some things, and you're gonna make a bunch of friends and possibly a family along the way.
CTE works for me.